Discover the circuit to perfectly styled homes with our personalized interior design tips. Make every space chain. So hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I will show you guys step by step how you can get started from scratch on Wix and build your own professional website. Let's get into it. So the first step that you have to do is open your web browser and dive into wix.com. So this is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information like here products, as you can see, solutions, also resources, pricing, Wix Studio. And if you want to log in to find your account, you click over it, and if you want to get started and sign up, you can just click over get started. But before, let's know what is Wix. Wix is a cloud-based website development platform that allows users to create and design websites using a drag and drop interface. It offers a range of customizable templates, design tools, and features to help individuals and businesses build professional looking websites without needing advanced coding skills. So this is the definition. Then we have here how to create a website for free. So you can just follow the six simple steps to create a website today. So we have the first step is choose a platform, sign up for secure, reliable and powerful website builder. Then we have start creating, choose from then over the 900 fully functional templates or use the EA website builder. And the third step is customize your website. Use the drag and drop editor and to allow your site to fit your brand. Then we have optimize for search engines, increase your site's visibility with a search of built-in SEO tools. Then we have publish your website, register and connect a custom domain name and go live. And the last step is promote and drive traffic. Use built-in marketing tools to grow and expand your reach. So I will show you step by step how you can get started. So the first step you have to do is click over get started, as you can see. So you have just to write your email here, and then you confirm your email. Then you write your password. Then you confirm your password, and then you click over sign up. So once you do that, you will find other page which is here. Let's get started. Who are you creating a website for? So here we have for myself, my business, or my friend, and here we have for a client as a freelancer or an agency. So I will choose the second one, and I will click over continue. You have your agencies and freelancers. Wix Studio is the platform for you. So you have you manage multiple clients, sites, and projects, all from one workspace. Then we have collaborate and create with your team in real time on the canvas. Design with custom breakpoint, code-free animation and responsive EA. Then we have ensure a seamless handover with personalized client kits. So you click over continue with Wix, and then we have you break your idea to life with EA. Tell us about the sites you are creating and get a personalized dashboard with everything you need to manage it. So start chat, as you can see, you can just start here, help me answer, skip answer, question, and chat and continue. So I'll click over here and chat and continue. Then we have your type of website you want to create. So I will create online store, for example, clothes especially, and I will click over continue. So let's wait to prepare my dashboard. So lighting your dashboard here. So this is the dashboard, as you can see. So we have here start setting up your store. Give your store a name. You can create a new one or use a name you already have. So you have just to enter your name. For example, and then you click over continue. Then we have here, do you already have an online store? This will help us customize your site based on your store's needs. So you can just click over no, I'm just searching out, and then you click over continue. Then we have here, what kind of products are you selling? Select anything you are selling now or plan to sell in the future. Then you click over continue once you choose the one you want. Then we have here, how are you offering your product? This will let you manage all your sales channels in one place. So online sales, of course, and then you have to click over continue to dashboard. Then we have here various things in the dashboard, as you can see. But the first thing that you have to do is click over design site, and you have here, how would you like to design your website? Generate a design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds, and you have your customized template about thousands of designs. Then pick one to customize, as you can see. So I'll click over generate a design. So Wix offers several benefits for website creation, including its intuitive drag and drop interface that allows users to design and customize websites easily without coding knowledge. It provides a wide range of templates and design tools, enabling users to create professional-looking sites tailored to their needs. Additionally, Wix includes built-in features such as SEO tools, e-commerce capabilities, and a comprehensive solution for both personal and business websites. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an appealing choice for those looking to establish a strong online presence quickly. So once you do that, you have here, you are generating Zero Shop, your online clothes store site. Once the site is ready, you can click on anything you want to change in the brief to adjust the content and design. We have here site brief, as you can see. So you have just to click over continue with this three, and here we have complete the site with your own domain. Give your site more professional look with a branded domain. So you can just click over let's go, and you get started. So then you have just to modify, to upload an image and modify it with these settings, and that's it, how it works with Wix. So in summary, Wix is a versatile and user-friendly platform that simplifies website creation with its drag and drop functionality and extensive design options, making it accessible for users with varying levels of technical expertise. So as I said, you have your add elements, add section, page and menu, and other things. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.